Good morning, my dear students. This is class 4th, subject English speaking. Topic is a sentence or series of words that is hard to say correctly is called a tongue twister in English. Children love tongue twisters and challenge their friends to try to say them fast several times in row. For English learners, tongue twisters are a fun way to work on one or two sounds at a time to get the pronunciation just right. Start by saying the tongue twister slowly, then try to speed up. Once you can say a tongue twister through, try to say it twice or three times in a row for a bigger challenge. Tongue twister are a great way to practice and improve pronunciation and fluency. They can also help to improve accents by using alliteration, which is the repetition of one sound. They are not just for kids but also used by actors, politicians, and public speakers who want to sound clear when speaking. Here are some examples. She speak, she sells seashells at the seashore. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Kids and kitten knit in the kitchen. Cooks look at cookbook while cooking. So these are some interesting examples of tongue twister. You can also take some other examples and you can practice them to speak fast or quickly. In this way you can speak tongue twisters and you can have fun with these tongue twisters. Thank you and have a nice day.